Back over here, we've got a really cool, really cool project in the works. So this Gladiator is getting all the things, all the fun stuff. So we are putting a metal cloak 4.5-inch long arm suspension on this thing with their black shocks. We're retaining the coil springs, don't really need coilovers for what this is going to be doing. We are doing the Moto-Built Bob bed, which you can see is going together right now. This one's fully paint matched to match the factory color. And then once it's all done, we're going to spray liner the inside of the bed, kind of like what you would get with you know, an off the lot truck that you spray line the bed. So it'll have a very similar factory look to it, but way beefier and way more customized after it's all said and done. This, you can see on the bottom's got a Dynatrac Dana 80 in there. We're still waiting for the front axle to arrive, but it'll have a 60 up front that matches that. We're putting 42-inch tires on this thing, and when we're all said and done, this thing's going to go to Michigan to America's Most Wanted. They're doing a 700 horsepower Hellcat swap in this, and then once they're done with all that, it's going to come back here, and it's going to be going into SEMA. So if you want to get an up-close personal look, make sure you go check it out over there. So really cool, and we'll be doing more detailed videos on this one as well. So yeah, so that's what we're doing today. We're going to do more exciting stuff next week, which we may do another video, but stay tuned and hit us up if there's anything that you need.